Okay, so I'm on page 8 of your packet, Unit C, Notes. This is where we left off with absolute value the other day. So now we are going to transform a non-absolute value graph. So we talked a lot about these shifts. So this is a shift right. Three units. That's the only shift on the input. The shift on the output is 1/2 amplitude shift up 4. So the first thing we need to do is make a table of the old. So I have -4, -2, 0, 0, and 4, -8. The new graph, you take care of input first. So I take my old input and I shift it right 3. So I add 3 to the right. -4 plus 3 is -1. 0 plus 3, 4 plus 3. For the new output, you have to take your old output, and you still have to pay attention to order of operation. So I'm going to take 1/2 first, times 1/2, then I'm going to add 4. -2 times 1/2 plus 4 yields 3. 0 times 1/2 plus 4 yields 4. -8 times 1/2 plus 4 is 2. So my new ordered pairs are -1, 3, 3, 4, and 7, 2. And then connect. So the best thing to do is graph in order, plot in order, and then you will see the new graph. Let's take a look over here. I have a little bit more space. Old is -2, 6, -1, -1, and 2, 4. So let's take a look at what's being done to this graph. The shift on the input is going to be a shift left 1. And the shift on the output is going to be a reflection, a narrowing, and a shift up 3. So that can all be accomplished by multiplying the old output times -2 plus 3. And the old input, all I'm doing is subtracting 1. So my new -2 minus 1 is -3. -1 minus 1 is -2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Some kiddos have an easier time to do this on the graph, and that's fine. The new output will be 6 times -2, -12, plus 3 is -9. -1 times -2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 times -2 is -8. Plus 3 is -5. So 1, 2, 3, negative 9, negative 2, positive 5, and 1, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you graph it, you'll see the reflection. You'll see a shift left 1 and a shift up 3. So bear in mind that you have to do a shift left to right on the inside and the output is on the outside. So I'm going to stop videotaping. I will send you a still photograph of these guys. This is in class when I would have the U tribe be here, but in general this will be a shift left 2 and down 3. This will be a reflection, a narrowing, and a shift up 4. And all this too can both be accomplished by multiplying by negative 2 and then adding 4. This has no shift in input. And finally, the last example will be a shift left 1, a reflection, and down 2. And this can be accomplished by multiplying by negative 1 and subtracting 2 from the old output. This shift left will be from the old input. So I call these the Charlie Brown shirt graphs, and I'll send you a still copy of those notes as well as this YouTube video.